Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures with Jenny. Today we are getting ready to go on a very exciting adventure. We are heading up north, specifically to northern Michigan, Traverse City for 2 days, and then we are going to spend 2 nights in Bel Air, Michigan. And I am so excited for this trip. We've been planning it pretty much all year. We are celebrating my toddler's 3rd birthday. I cannot believe he turns 3 tomorrow. We are heading up north to celebrate my little one's birthday. He turns 3 tomorrow, and I cannot believe that he's already 3. Honestly, where does the time go? But we are celebrating his birthday in Traverse City. We rented a little cabin at the Anchor Inn, and it's right across from the beach, and he loves the beach, and I thought that he would much rather spend his birthday at the beach in the water, playing in the sand, than having a birthday party. So that's what we decided to do in lieu of a birthday party. Before we left on our trip, I needed to pick up a few items for my toddler's birthday, so we headed to Party City. He wanted a Paw Patrol themed party, so I picked up a few Paw Patrol items. I let him pick out a couple things that he wanted. Since he was the only kid that was going to be there, we didn't need to buy a bunch of things for goodie bags, and he had to get a Marshall hat. We got some plates for his Paw Patrol cake, tablecloth. I got a few items at Party City that were Paw Patrol related to the thing that he wanted. I didn't go overboard because there's not going to be many of us. He's going to be the only little kid there. So I just got a few items that I think that he would like. So I got him the Paw Patrol Play and Pack Grab and Go. I love getting these. I usually get them at Target. So I got him that. Well, actually, yeah, I think I got him this there, not at Target. And then I got him this little paint your own canvas. I thought this would be a really fun activity for him to do while we were on vacation, especially if it rains. This would be a great indoor activity. And then I got a coloring book for him. I know this isn't aesthetically pleasing, but I'm just taking everything out of the Party City bag. And then I got another one. And then I got him these. There are 8 of these treat boxes, so I thought that I could do this up for him, put some little toys in there, some snacks. I know this is meant for like kids at a little party, but I thought he would like that. And we are going on a boat one of the days, so I thought that would be really fun for him. And then I got him these little things. I remember having these as a kid at parties, so I thought he would like those. And then I got him a mess-free Imagine Ink. I love these. I usually get these when we go to Disney World. These are really fun for the kids, and you don't have to worry about them making a mess. And then I got a tablecloth, and then some Paw Patrol napkins. I was going to order this stuff on Amazon, but it was so much more money than at Party City, and I will have everything linked below in case your little one likes Paw Patrol. And then I just got some Paw Patrol plates for his Paw Patrol cake. He's going to love that. And then I got this little wristband thing I think he'll really like. So that is what I got at Party City for his birthday party up north. I ordered Franklin this Paw Patrol shirt from Etsy. I think it turned out so cute. Just a basic white tee with the number 3, Marshall, and his name. And then I got a shirt that says Mom Patrol, which I already packed away, but I will link these down below. I think he's really going to love this shirt. It turned out so cute, and he loves Marshall. And I normally don't buy personalized things, but for his birthday, I love getting a personalized shirt from Etsy to go with the theme of the party or whatever he wants. So this will go so cute with this Paw Patrol cake. And I picked up a few items for his birthday. He loves taking pictures with my camera and on the phone, so I got him this little digital camera. I thought this would be perfect for him and something that he would really enjoy. And it comes with its own memory card. And the camera was fairly inexpensive, and I will have it linked down below because I think this would make a really great gift. And it also comes with all the chargers and everything that you need for your toddler to use the camera.
And I also got this game board for the beach. I thought this would be a perfect activity for him to do at the beach. He loves games, and this folds and then it just expands when you open it. So perfect for taking on a road trip. I just want to have a couple of different activities to do while he is at the beach. And this has 3 different games, which will be perfect. And I will have this link down below in the description box. And he is really into Mickey, of course, and pirates. So I got him this little Mickey Pirate Adventure treasure set. He loves looking for treasure, and he's really into that kind of stuff right now. So I thought this would be perfect for him. He has a lot of sand toys, but I saw this on Amazon and I thought this would be so cute because he loves helping me bake. And so this has measuring cups and a whisk that you can pretend like you're baking in the sand. This was adorable and super cute and perfect for a beach trip. This isn't very exciting, but I had to get some more swim diapers for the beach. And then I also picked this up for when he is in the water. And then I also already have a life jacket for him that we will take on our pontoon boat rental. So we are all set there.
I just got to Sam's Club and I am here to pick up Franklin's birthday cake. He really wanted a Paw Patrol cake, so I ordered it about a month and a half ago. And so I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get some food items for our trip up north. I am so excited. I cannot believe we leave tomorrow and that my little one turns 3 tomorrow. I am so excited. So let's head into Sam's Club.
We picked up some chips for some snacks. We got muffins for breakfast, some cookies. This is his Paw Patrol cake, and it came with a little Marshall figurine.
I just got done at Sam's Club and I almost started crying in there because when I went to go get Franklin's cake, they couldn't find my order. And I ordered it probably a month and a half ago. They're like, we don't have it for you. It's just not here. And they checked in the back and stuff, and they checked like future orders. So I'm not sure what happened because we handed it to one of the bakery workers when we pre-ordered the cake, and I was just so disappointed because Franklin was really looking forward to his Paw Patrol cake, and they said we could do one up really quick for you, and I was just kind of frazzled, like my anxiety kicked in, and I'm like, I'm not even sure if this is the right cake or what I wanted really, but they did it up real quick and it's fine, it'll do. But it just is really frustrating when that happens, and especially when I pre-ordered it, they're like, well, we might be able to fit you in, and they wrote it down and everything. So I don't understand why it got lost, but it did. But we have a birthday cake and it is so hot outside, so I have to get home and get this cake in the refrigerator. And I also picked up a few supplies that we need because we are going to have a barbecue tomorrow when we get up north, which is going to be super fun. So I'm gonna head home now, get everything put away, finish packing, and get ready for tomorrow. We are all packed and ready to head up north. We couldn't really fit everything that we wanted to bring. We had to leave one present behind. But in these bags, that's all food type items and snack items that we are gonna have up there. And some presents, you know, cups, drinks.
And I will see you in the next video.